African countries uniting can bring about numerous benefits that can significantly enhance the continent's development, stability, and global influence. By uniting, African countries can reduce trade barriers, leading to increased intra-African trade. This can boost economic growth and create jobs. A united African can pool resources and create larger markets, attracting more significant foreign investment and fostering industrialization. Joint efforts can lead to better infrastructure development, such as transportation and energy network, which are crucial for economic activities. A united Africa can more effectively address and resolve internal conflict through collective security mechanisms and diplomatic efforts. Unity can promote better governance practices through shared policies and peer reviews, reducing corruption and enhancing political stability. A collective defense strategy can improve security against external threats and reduce military expenditures by sharing resources. Unity fosters cultural exchange and understanding, promoting peace and solidarity among diverse ethnic and cultural groups. African countries can share educational resources and expertise, improving the qualities of education and research across the continent. Joint efforts in healthcare can lead to better management of diseases, improved healthcare systems, and shared research on public health issues. A united Africa can have a stronger voice in international organizations like the UN, World Trade Organization, and others, advocating for the continent's interest. Unity can enhance Africa's bargaining power in trade negotiations, ensuring fair trade agreements that benefit African economies. Unity can foster collaboration in scientific research and technological innovation, driving advancement that benefit all member states. A united Africa can work towards digital integration, improving communication, e-commerce, and access to information across the continent. By working together, African countries can manage their natural resources more sustainability, preventing exploitation, and ensuring long-term benefit. Unity among African countries can lead to significant improvement in economic development, political stability, social cohesion, and global influence. By working together, African nations can overcome common challenges, leverage shared strengths, and create a prosperous and peaceful continent. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Until next time, cheers and have a good one.